Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. March 2017, dumayo ang Pinoy boxer na tubong Balamban Cebu na si Jason Canoy sa lungga mismo ng undefeated na kalaban na si Mizuho Kili Magwasa na tubong South Africa. Ang nasabing laban ay para sa bakanting WBF o World Boxing Federation Bantamweight title. May malinis na kartada itong African boxer na 17 wins, 0 loss, 3 draws, 10 via knockout, habang 26 wins, 6 losses, 2 draws, 19 dito via knockout naman ang Pinoy. Sa mismong bakbakan, panay ang takbo nitong Afrikano, di kayang sabayan ang lakas ng Pinoy. Tila pinahiya ng Pinoy ang pambato ng South Africa sa harap mismo ng mga tagahanga niya. Dahil kahit nanalo ito, ay mas dinumog pa ng mga African fans ang Pinoy pagkatapos ng laban para lang magpalitrato. Talagang napabilib sila sa tapang at tibay ng ating pambato. Sa laban na to, natalo ang Pinoy sa desisyon ng Hurado, pero panalo naman siya sa mga mata ng Afrikano. Di din matanggap ng kampo ng Pinoy ang naging score ng dalawang Hurado dahil sa layo ng diferensya. Para sa kanila, dikit ang laban o kaya Pinoy dapat ang panalo dahil agresibo ito sa buong laban. At kahit commentator ay napabilib dito sa ating kababayan. Sabay nating balikan ang nasabing bakbakan. I-komento ninyo sa baba kung sa tingin ninyo sakto lang ba ang naging desisyon ng mga Hurado.
Magwasa, the bigger fighter, the longer arms, use the jab. Atta in the pink shorts. A big right hand from Magwasa. And that rocked Jason Canoy, but he's right in front. They make them tough in the Philippines. Looking to throw to the body. Again, Canoy short with that big left hand to the body.
Hier ist es doch so, dass Magawaka den längeren auch mal in einen reinläuft. Ja, aber er ist sehr, sehr beweglich, der Filipino, finde ich. Pretty tough.
He's been very short with his punches. He's not getting close enough to Magwaza to do any damage. And so far, it's almost like a sparring session for Magwaza. Box from a distance. Keep your opponent at bay with your jab.
Sa mga unang rounds, makikitang nahihirapan talaga ang Pinoy na makatama ng solido sa kalaban dahil sa mas matangkad ito at mahaba ang mga kamay, habang panay gamit ng reach advantage naman itong Afrikano. Jab-jab lang sabay atras.
Do they expect a knockout or do they want to see him dancing around?
If you get a chance for a knockout and it comes.
So he is from Kalicha. Where is he training? Is he also training in one of those gyms we had today?
He's trained by Zola Koti, who's our matchmaker. Magwaza won a title. He won the WBF Africa title in Cape Town as a youngster.
We are in round 4, ladies and gentlemen. And Canoy tries to fight because of his long arms. He could keep Pinoy on distance, but
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds, dahan-dahan nang natikman ng African ang lakas ng Pinoy. Nakakapasok na ang opensa, pero itong kalaban, bagamat bumabato din ng mga kamao, ay madalas pa rin ang pag-atras, habang panay ang pagiging agresibo nitong ating pambato.
der hat sich jetzt auch wieder, ja doch, da kam doch mal einer durch an den Kopf. Oh ja, aber Magawaza. Howard, I got the impression that Pinoy Das war jetzt doch von Magwaza ein paar harte Schläge hintereinander. It seems that nothing happens to him. Pinoy, he's a guy who can take a lot of punches.
He's a very tough guy, Jason Pinoy from the Philippines.
Immer unter die Arme zu kommen von Magwaza. Und das funktioniert auch mit den Körpertreffern. Ab und zu kommt er unten drunter und dann setzt er eben diese Körpertreffer. They move pretty fast, so a lot of the other boxers, they were just fighting in one area of the ring. They used the whole ring.
These bantamweights are very fit and very quick. They can go the whole night. So it goes back.
Das könnte sein, sagt Howard. Aber wir werden sehen, wir sind jetzt in Runde 7.
Second half of the fight. Certainly Pinoy seems to be catching Magwaza to the body much more than in the earlier rounds. Still lunging though. Magwaza seems to have slowed down a bit. Oh, Magwaza caught. But Pinoy keeps coming forward. Right hand by Pinoy. Together with Mr. Arno Costa. A lot of hard work went into this event. A lot of grey hairs, but on the night it's been outstanding. Oh yeah, Pinoy. Pinoy coming forward, still looking for big punches. But Pinoy doing a lot better than in the early rounds.
Ja. Der Lokalmatador hier aus dem Township von Kalicha. Sowas wie der zurückgekehrte Sohn. War ja in East London, hatte einen amerikanischen Promoter und hat sich einige...
A lot of water on the canvas of the ring. Big right hand. Oh, he's in trouble. Jason Kanoy's in trouble. Jason Kanoy against the ropes. Big right hand from Magwaza. But Jason Kanoy fights back. Another right hand from Jason Kanoy. He's a tough fighter. Bantamweight title. Oliver Tambo Hall in Khayelitsha, Cape Town, South Africa. It's been a long night, but a great fight we've had here between two true warriors. The fleet-footed Magwaza good right hand from Jason Kanoy, right flush on the jaw of...
In der Charity Fight Night hier in Cape Town, Township Khayelitsha. Wir sehen den letzten und besten Kampf des Abends. Es war ein langer Abend, aber Kanoy ist I guess it's a real fast fight. This is a fast fight.
Fit as well. When you're under these lights on, you're looking at 35 to 40 degrees. It's very hot, you sweat a lot, and when you punch a punching bag that doesn't hit back, that's tiring. When somebody hits your back...
Es ist schon erstaunlich, das haben wir hier auch gerade nochmal gesagt, wie stark beide Kämpfer sind, wie schnell. Schauen Sie sich das an unter diesem Licht, das ist 45 Grad heiß, 50 Grad heiß in dieser Hitze und dann noch einen solchen Kampf, wie Jason Kanoy hier nicht hergekommen ist, um irgendwie nur ein bisschen Faxen zu machen, sondern der will Weltmeister werden und das sieht man richtig. Die 10. Runde, ich glaube, wir kommen jetzt in eine ganz entscheidende Phase des Kampfs.
Well, a very good round this for Jason Kanoy. He's winning this round. I have Magwaza still ahead, but not as much as I had him early on. Kanoy closing the gap somewhat. Still behind though. That's the key. A big right hand from Magwaza. Uppercut. Magwaza combination. Using that educated jab. Oh my! Big right hand from Kanoy. That hurt Magwaza. Magwaza moving away. Needs to get out of trouble. Down he goes, Magwaza.
Dito sa round 10 mga pre, makikitang natumba itong kalaban pero di tinawagan ng referee. Nadulas lang daw ito. Pero sa slow-mo, makikitang may tumamang kamao.
A lot of sweating taking place. This fight is getting a lot closer than it was early on. Jason Kanoy immediately with a left hook to the body. Jab, he's going to out-jab him and he's going to not let the fight be fought at close quarters. Again, Kanoy to the body. And that's what he should be doing. Jab, 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 hook, jab. Keep him.
Oh. Dennoch sehen wir immer noch, wie das Publikum hier mitgeht. Für alle, die jetzt dazugekommen sind, Old Bones Magwaza mit den weißen Schuhen, das ist hier ein Einheimischer aus Kaleben hier. Rund 2500 davon waren heute Abend hier, das war kein Niederschlag.
Sa huling bahagi ng round 12, tumba na naman ang African pero nadulas pa rin daw sabi ng referee. Pero kung sa slow-mo mo tignan, ay may kamao pa rin na bumaon. Panalo ang South African na si Magwaza via split decision. 114 to 115 ang isang Hurado pabor sa Pinoy, habang 117 to 110 at 117 to 112 pabor sa South African. Napakalayo ng score kaya dito umalma ang kampo ng Pinoy. May mga artikulong nagsasabing pagkatapos daw ng laban ay mas dinumog ng mga South African fans itong Pinoy para i-shake hands at magpa-picture. Humanga sila sa tapang at tibay ng Pinoy na si Jason Canoy. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.